Today, you guys, as you can see, we're making lemon roasted potatoes. But before we get started, I would love to ask if you would consider hitting the subscribe button below. That would be awesome. I love having people on this YouTube channel, and to keep me going, to let me keep making all these videos, I want you guys to subscribe. So do it now, okay? All right, now we're gonna go on to how to set this up and make these yummy lemon roasted potatoes. So of course we need lemon, 4 Yukon Gold potatoes, vegetable broth or chicken broth, paprika, Celtic sea salt, rosemary, cracked pepper, garlic. I've got 8 cloves of garlic here, some olive oil and some Parmesan cheese, and that's it. First step is we're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Okay, we're gonna cut these potatoes into cute little wedges. So I'm cutting it in half, and then you wanna always set it down on a base, give it a base, right? So you're not slipping and sliding all over. So there's a wedge. It's a huge wedge, so I'm gonna cut that in another half. There we go. Now we've got decent sized potato wedges. We're just going to get some olive oil at the bottom of the baking dish. Just a little bit, so it's kind of covered and coated with olive oil. All right. Then you're gonna put your potatoes into the baking dish. Yep. And then I'm just going to kind of, wow, I feel like I need a bigger baking dish. Whoa. This is 4 potatoes and it's like, hello. Okay, so I've combined the salt, pepper, paprika, and rosemary, and I'm just going to sprinkle this over the potatoes. And then I'm going to toss them around to get them all coated with the seasoning. So they're happy and well coated with the seasoning. Oh my goodness, lemon roasted potatoes. They're coming soon. I'm so excited. Okay, so now for these lemon roasted potatoes, what I'm going to do next is going to put the liquid mixture together. So we've got broth, either chicken broth or vegetable broth, whatever you prefer. I've got olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon. By the way, isn't this the coolest tool on the planet? I got this at Crate & Barrel. I love it. What I like is when you do your lemon, it's going into this measuring glass thing. So if you're trying to measure the amount of lemon juice for a recipe, it's so amazing. So there it is. I took the little cup off and there's the lemon juice of 1 lemon. Then we've got our 8 cloves of minced garlic. It's going in. Then I'm just gonna give it a nice little mixy mix. Once you have that, take the potatoes, which are looking gorgeous, and we're just going to pour this yummy, lemony, beautiful mixture over our potatoes. Let's get all the garlic out. Yes, 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 please. Thank you. All right. Very important. You must get some foil and cover your little potatoes with some foil. Don't forget this step. You won't be happy if you do. Okay. Now I'm going to put them in the oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. Okay, so my lemon roasted potatoes have been roasting for 40 minutes, and now we are going to sprinkle the Parmesan cheese onto these beautiful potatoes. Okay, here we go. And then we're gonna put them back in the oven for another 10 to 15 minutes. So gorgeous. Now a little extra lemon zest. Just gonna put a little bit of fresh parsley on top. They look amazing. Oh, lemon roasted potatoes. You need to try out this recipe, you guys. Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God. Thanks for watching.